okuvuga nuko kutebekanisiibwe ab'ekigombe kya Association of French Teachers in Uganda obebembirwe president waabo. Eki nikyo kigombe kiri kugiita abashomesa abarikushomesa orurimi orufaransa.
Merci beaucoup d'avoir formé ces emplois dans une façon ludique. Merci beaucoup. I think maybe we are going on speaking French, but they have similar friends who speak French. They have heard from us.
Aba babashomise n'obundi bukoryo obusya chaika omu kushomesa abashomesa n'abeegi orurimi.
When they start writing in French, publishing in French, that's why you see Professor Ngelewile Imagine. Professor Ngelewile is one of the fewest professors in the world in French. Can you clap for him again? All languages are important. When we started this program, actually voices came around. You people were not promoting imperialism, the French, we said no, it's not imperialism, it's because we want to be global citizens. Become a global citizen, you can communicate locally, regionally, internationally.
Professor Oswald Ndorirwe nkomwe ombahangu omururimi orwo obakwatanise n'abandi bahangu kuruga omu matendekero na university zitari zimwe na zimwe okwetoorora ihanga Uganda nibagira ngu aboona bariyo nibashoma orurimi orufaransa nyense yaabo ni nungi.
Endimi ezaheeru nakyo kirungi muno nikikonyera habwokuba nyowe hati nkanyowe habwo orufaransa ndikusoma nkozire ebintu bingi.
Tumaziraho ebiro 5 omuri ebyo ebiro 5 nyegira okuteeka ebyokurya bikwatirine n'ekifaransa turegera okugamba omu bantu omu kifaransa.
Obwa hati nimbasa kubuganana n'omufaransa ningamba nawe ntino obwoba bwona.
Aba berundanire ahishomero rya Immaculate Heart Girls Nyakibaro mu district ya Rukungiri.
Not so much tight, and there is such occasion we shall always be sending you. Thank you so much. Thank you and come home.
Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon omu Rukungiri.